Hi, my name is Venkat Nalla from Pristine Embed Technologies. Hope you have watched my video on our configurator and deployment. The data starts collecting as soon as you deploy our solution. Now I'm going to briefly cover the off-the-shelf CIP reports of our product Streamline and its main features. The CIP and the trend reports help the plant manager in many ways. It completely eliminates the chart recorder and ink, resulting in huge recurring expenses. It helps search any wash record which is otherwise difficult in a paper-based system. The solution can also create a PDF version of all the reports, save it in a subfolder, and then keep it for record keeping forever. It helps the plant manager manage the plant efficiently with our dashboards, as the dashboards provide a snapshot of all the washes that are going on today. You can see how many washes are currently going on, how many are completed, and if there are any aborted or failed washes, it gives a number of washes failed. Each wash can be fully analyzed by drilling down further. Unlike the fixed location chart recorders, our reports are web-based, so you can access the web-based reports from anywhere, anytime, and take corrective action as necessary. It helps find all the washes that have exceptions and find what the reasons are. It helps quickly go through all the washes of any time range of interest. Review each wash or record the comments, if any. In a nutshell, the plant manager can go through all the reports of any time range of interest, take corrective action, and keep the reports ready for inspection, such as FDA inspection or audit inspection. In addition to CIP reports, the solution also provides a superimposed level and temperature trend charts for all silos that helps quickly identify any pitfalls in maintaining the temperature within limits. The advantages are endless. I will demonstrate a few just now. As you can see, our reports are categorized into three different things. One is a dashboard, another is a wash report, and a level and temperature trends. The dashboard is arranged in such a way that you get a snapshot of the plant performance as of now. So currently it is showing live washes, and then the washes completed and failed, and the circuit that they were washed. So currently there are 6 washes going on. If you want to know what they are, you simply click on it and it will give you the list. Similarly, if you want to know what are the washes that were failed, simply click on this and it will give you the list. And then if you want to further know each wash what happened, you can still click on this wash type. So right now I'm clicking on the wash type full wash. Then it gives you the chart of return conductivity, return flow, return temperature, and return turbidity. As you can see, everything has gone out of the limits. That's why it has failed. You can record your comments using this verify button, but I will show in a little bit. You can also see the wash steps for this wash by clicking on the step show, which again I will cover in a little bit. Now if you go back to the dashboard, you can see number of washes that are live, complete, and failed, and it also gives you the circuits washed today by this system, CIP circuit 3, and all systems that are washed today, it will give you by circuit wise. And it also gives you wash exceptions by their limits, like if temperature limit has crossed or the turbidity limit is crossed while washing. On the right side, you can see the schedule exceptions of each circuit. Like the circuit 1 was not washed in the time frame that it was supposed to be. Like how many times? 2 times. Same way, the circuit 5 has violated 3 times in this time frame. So if you want to know what happened and at what time it was violated, you can simply click on this one. It will tell you the details of each wash and how many times it was violated. Same way you can do here on circuit cream stream to load out, that has violated twice. Now you can go further and see that the wash exceptions by wash type. So in this, like 70% of the washes, the full wash are violated. If you want to see what happened, you simply come here, click on this one. You will know the list of washes and then why they have violated. Then you can click further down by clicking on the wash type. Then you will know exactly what happened in that wash. Now next that's briefly about the dashboard. Now I'll move to the wash report, where you can look for all washes that happened between 27 to 29. This always starts from the current date and goes back 2 days, but you can also set the start date to something else like 25th and then say refresh. It will tell you all the washes that happened between this 25th to 29th. Now if you are interested in only knowing what are quickly find out the failed washes, you can come here on the past column, sort it, and it will give you all failed washes. And if you want to know why it has failed, again I think it's the same thing. This has violated the conductivity is not within the limit, so it's failed. And if you want to note down why it happened, it's already reviewed by VN and it is made comments. Let me pick up another report. So the next one I will pick up, and it also the conductivity is off the limits. So now I want to put my comments. Simply click here and put the supervisor's name and any comment that you want to record for the report, you can do so. Click save. Then it's going to refresh itself, and you can see in a bit like, okay, you can see it's verified by VN and the comments are written here. And the verify button is no more there, which means that it is locked and nobody else can review this. And if you want to see what the steps for this wash, you can simply click on this one. It will give you the wash steps in a chronological order, and also gives you the start time, end time, and the duration that the step was in during the wash. Then you can export it to PDF, this report, and you can also export the whole report to a PDF. For example, export a PDF, and it is exported, and you can open and see for your records. So likewise, you can open it, close it. So that way you can drill down any wash, record your comments for any violation or whatever comments you want to keep for records. And by the way, all these reports and wash reports can be auto-generated to PDF file and then save it into a network folder for later retrieval. So that's the brief about our reports. Now let's move on to the temperature and level trends. So this is again another trend report for all the silos between a time frame. So right now it is showing from 28 to 29, and the last product that the tank contained was condensed milk. And it also tells like if there is any product mismatch, like suddenly um, some other product was there and before it was cleaned some other product came in, it will give you an anomaly like this had a 2% cream before and right now it is um, containing condensed milk. If condensed milk can be pumped in after 2% cream, that is fine, but otherwise it can be an anomaly and you can drill down on why it happened, things like that. In addition to that, you can put comments for this trend report, like if a temperature has not been maintained well, you can simply enter the comments here. So again, I'll put my name and comment. Then just save it, and it will be saved against this trend for the silo between this frame, this time frame to this time frame. And if I do a refresh, then go down. Okay, this is the remark I have put it. So people can put remarks like, for example, the product mismatch was there. You can put a remark on why it happened, when it happened, and things like that. It will be recorded against that. So next time when you bring into this chart, you will see the uh, remarks, and you can easily export it to the PDF and print it, and you can present it to the people. So it's readily available. And you can also select another, I mean, you can select pretty much any tank and refresh it. This is for such tank. And the other cool feature is if you want to, if the data is too cluttered, you can zoom in, zoom out the way you want it. And you can do this. Then if your analysis is over, you can zoom out, zoom in accordingly. And the other thing is you can filter based on the temperature limits. Say if you want to know the data between temperature between 40 degrees to 50 degrees, define min max, then say refresh. It will fetch all the data between 40 degrees to 50 degrees. This is how cool it is to use it. That's it for now about in brief about our report. Hope you have enjoyed it. If you would like to know further about our product, or if you have any questions, please contact us at info@pristinembed.com or give a call me at 909-374-5385. Thank you. Bye for now.